A single misplaced step can trigger an avalanche of pure chaos, burying everything in its path. Imagine a world where tiny mistakes lead to monumental disasters, turning everyday life into a high-stakes gamble. We often dismiss small errors as trivial, but history is littered with epic fails that prove otherwise. These aren't just funny bloopers. They are lessons etched in the annals of human folly and unexpected consequences. Understanding these worst fails helps us appreciate the delicate balance of our actions and their far-reaching impacts. It reveals how easily things can go spectacularly wrong, even with the best intentions. These moments, though often embarrassing or destructive, offer profound insights into systems and human nature. Let's explore the mechanics behind some of the most colossal blunders ever recorded. Consider the infamous Tacoma Narrows Bridge collapse, a marvel of engineering that met a surprisingly swift end. Designed to withstand considerable wind, its flexibility became its undoing in a moderate breeze. The engineers overlooked a phenomenon called aeroelastic flutter, a critical design flaw. As wind passed over the bridge's deck, it created aerodynamic forces that resonated with the structure's natural frequency. This resonance amplified the bridge's oscillations, causing it to twist and sway violently. It's like a perfectly tuned instrument that starts vibrating uncontrollably until it shatters. Within hours of its opening, the bridge was bucking like a wild horse. Then came the unexpected twist. The sheer speed at which the disaster unfolded was astonishing. The bridge didn't just collapse. It spectacularly twisted and broke apart, a truly terrifying spectacle. But that's not the strangest part of this engineering nightmare. Another classic example is the Great Molasses Flood in Boston, a truly sticky situation. In 1919, a massive storage tank holding over 2 million gallons of molasses burst open downtown. A dark, sticky wave, reportedly up to 25 feet high and moving at 35 miles per hour, surged through the streets. It's like a tidal wave made of pure sugar, incredibly dense and powerful. Buildings were swept off their foundations, and people and horses were trapped in the viscous goo.
The cause was a combination of poor construction, fermentation increasing internal pressure, and perhaps even sabotage.
Wait until you hear what comes next about the cleanup efforts. The cleanup took weeks, involving salt water to wash away the molasses, leaving the city smelling sweet for months. Then there's the story of the Mars Climate Orbiter, a billion-dollar mission that vanished. This sophisticated spacecraft was meant to study the Martian atmosphere and climate from orbit. However, a simple unit conversion error doomed the entire mission before it even reached its destination. One team used metric units, while the propulsion team used imperial units for crucial calculations. It's like trying to navigate using two different maps that don't align at all. This discrepancy caused the orbiter to approach Mars at the wrong angle, burning up in the planet's atmosphere. And then something unexpected happened. The entire $125 million probe was lost completely. These failures highlight critical issues in communication, oversight, and fundamental understanding. They serve as stark reminders of how human error, even in its smallest forms, can have catastrophic results. The impact of these blunders extends beyond mere financial loss or property damage. They often lead to stricter regulations, improved safety protocols, and entirely new fields of study. The bridge failure spurred advancements in structural engineering and wind resistance testing. The molasses flood led to more rigorous oversight of industrial storage facilities. And the Mars orbiter incident reinforced the absolute necessity of standardized data handling in complex projects. These moments underscore the importance of meticulous attention to detail in every endeavor. They teach us humility, showing that even the most brilliant minds are susceptible to critical oversights. Ultimately, these epic fails are invaluable learning experiences for all of humanity. They remind us that vigilance and precision are not optional luxuries, but fundamental necessities. By studying these disasters, we can build more resilient systems and avoid repeating past mistakes. The lessons learned from these colossal failures are truly priceless. If you found these stories of epic fails fascinating, subscribe for more incredible journeys into the unexpected. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts on the biggest blunders you've ever heard of in the comments below. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most.